estornudar.
Hi there, Rick Gonzalez-Rothi here. Speaking of odd things, did you ever wonder why we sneeze? Well, it turns out you have these little nerves and nerve sensors inside your nose, in the back of your throat, that when they sense a change in a chemical or a actual physical sensation like dust or change in temperature, a signal gets sent to your brain, and your brain says it's time to sneeze. So you expulse this blast of air, which, believe it or not, has been clocked at 100 miles an hour, in order to get rid of whatever noxious stimulus there is.
But have you ever wondered why people feel compelled to say something like, God bless you, when you sneeze?
I find it fascinating that this wasn't just a Christian thing about sneezing. Many cultures have had salutations when people sneeze. In fact, for many years in the African countries, it was thought that if you sneezed, it was a sign of demonic possession. Then in other cultures, for example, the Muslims usually say, Yarhamud Allah, when you sneeze. Parsis say, Blessed be Orsmoods. And the Irish, of course, the blessing of God and the Holy Mary Spirit be on you. Well, in terms of sneezing and saying God bless you, the Latin scholars in Middle Ages actually took this one step further. And the word to breathe in and to breathe out, inspirare and expirare, the word spirit in Latin had a religious connotation to it. And many of the Christian scholars thought that when you sneezed, you lost your spirit temporarily, so they felt compelled to say, God bless you, until the next breath. So by saying, God bless you, right after you sneezed,
Enter the devil.
it kept the devil from getting back into you with the next breath. Oh, and I forgot to tell you one thing. For those of you without any spiritual affiliation, when you sneeze, you can always do the German thing. Gesundheit. To your health. Gesundheit.
Who let the dogs out?
Shouldn't you be wearing a mask?